Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope you all are fine. I am your teacher of computer of class 4. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about Unit 3 Computer Devices. In this unit, we will study about how computer devices work and what are the uses of these devices. Computer is an electronic machine that processes data and converts it into meaningful information. A computer works very quickly and it never gets bored, never gets tired. As a human being, when we do any work quickly, when we do any work again and again, when we do any work many times, we get bored and we get tired. A computer is a device which is made up of many parts that are input devices, processing devices, output devices, and storage devices. The input is given to the computer through input devices and it processed into the processing devices. After processing into the processing devices, we get output through the output devices. That the result which we have, then we store it into the storage devices. That is, we have meaningful information. A computer cannot work without data or instructions. This data and instructions are given to the computer through many devices. The most commonly devices are mouse and keyboard. Now we are going to discuss about keyboard. Keyboard is an most commonly used input device. With the use of keys on the keyboard, we can send information to the CPU. Keyboard contains 104 keys. These keys are divided into 5 groups. First one is alphabet keys. These keys are from A to Z. By using these keys, we can enter alphabets in the computer. Next one is numeric keys. Numeric keys are used to enter numbers into the computer. Function keys are the keys which are used to perform different functions. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. Special keys are the keys escape, shift, backspace, caps lock, and numlock. These keys are used for different purposes. Next topic is mouse. Mouse is an input device. Input pointing device. It allows to select and move an object. Mouse should be kept on the mouse pad for smooth flow. Mouse ball help to move pointer on the screen. There are 2 buttons on the mouse, right button and left button. Use of mouse is that these 3 buttons are used by different ways. For single clicking, double clicking, dragging and dropping. In single clicking, we can select any item by single click of the button of mouse. But in double clicking, when we double click on any file, that file will be opened. In dragging and dropping, moving the mouse while keeping left button press is known as dragging. Releasing this button is known as dropping. Our next topic is trackpad. This input device is on the laptop to control the mouse pointer on the screen. Joystick is commonly used for pointing device. It is commonly used for playing games. It has a spherical ball at the lower end that moves the socket on the screen. Then next one is scanner. Scanner is used to input letters and numbers to the computer. If data has any picture and photography, we can also input them by using the scanner. It helps to input data from paper directly to the computer. It saves time and manpower. Our next topic is touch screen. Touch screen computer that can sense the touch of finger of similar object. It is very easy to use. It is commonly used in public places, like it is used for ATM cards, on railway station and airports. Barcode reader is a series of lines that barcodes contain coded information. We can see it commonly on the big shops and malls. Barcode is commonly for quick billing. It can be barcoded in other places such as libraries and luggage checking on the flights. Digital camera takes picture just as the ordinary camera. Digital camera is commonly used for chat on the computer or internet. It can be commonly used on the places such as airports and traffics. It is also used as a security camera. Microphone or mic is a commonly called voice recorder. It is used to record voice in the computer or transmit voice to the computer. Dear students, objective and subjective notes should be provided, so you should write these notes on your computer copies. Thanks to all of you. Allah Hafiz.